preppers, Paul coming at you here with another episode of Let's Meal Prep. We got Amy behind the camera. Welcome in, guys. It's our chance every week to try to empower you to cook simple and healthy recipes so that you get empowered in the kitchen. And this week, Amy kind of let me loose again.
Yeah.
It's rare when she lets me loose. I get to experiment, which I did. I'll go into that a little bit more later. It took our breath away. And,
literally.
Literally. So I got 3 dishes that hopefully you will love, especially this first one. This is the one that took our breath away, guys. We got some grilled shrimp with some sauteed zucchini and baby carrots. Just put that in spices like cumin and chili powder. Roast it up, and when you're done, we topped it with cotija cheese and cilantro.
And lime.
And lime, yep, and lime. Grilled up the shrimp, just kept it simple. You can, I spiced it up, but you can keep it simple as well because there's a lot of flavors going on because we have this dipping sauce as well. And this is the dipping sauce that kind of took our breath away, guys. It is a Poblano Greek yogurt sauce, but I put some serranoes in there. That's not a good idea.
He was sauteing them.
Unless you want a little kick. I was sauteing them. I did get lazy. I wanted to roast them, but roasting does take quite a bit of time. So you could roast them if you want to get more of that charred flavor and not rush it. So I rushed it a little bit. I sauteed the poblano, some serranos, and some garlic bulbs and or cloves. And the serranos just really took our breath away. So if you want that kick, go ahead, leave them in there.
I had to take the dogs and go outside because I couldn't breathe. Yeah.
Really breathe. Put that all in there with some Greek yogurt, some lime juice, and some avocados. So that really dumbed it down a little bit, but not enough on the serranos. So you might want to leave those out if you don't want that kick. If you love that kick, put it in there because I know I do, but I'll probably use it sparingly. We paired it with jasmine rice here, our favorite. Definitely don't need to flavor that up. Just a little salt and olive oil, and that is just beautiful. Jasmine rice has an amazing flavor to it.
And when Paul says he grilled the shrimp, he means sauteed them.
I did.
We didn't grill anything outside today.
Over here, we got a Bison Picadillo. Just grill up the salt.
He's got grill on the brain.
I know, I got grill on the brain. All right, just saute up your bison with some onion and garlic, and add some spices in there with long tomato paste. But then we blended up white onion and some fire roasted tomatoes, some jalapeno, some garlic. Blended all that up so that it's a puree when you put it in there. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Gives a great little flavor to the bison. Then I paired it with straight up veggies, guys. This is cauliflower rice with lime and cilantro.
I don't know if I'd call it rice, baby. We're a little
well, I chopped it.
Chopped.
It's chopped.
He doesn't have the patience to make it.
Well, I mean, I started to, but then I'm like, I like the bits. I like the bigger bits.
It's cauli bits.
Cauli bits. There you go. Topped it with a little cilantro on there. Cilantro is like the ingredient of the week here. Yep. And then over here, we've got an awesome sweet potato and chipotle stew right here. You could make it a soup. I mashed the sweet potatoes when they got soft. You could puree them as well, but I wanted some of those bits in there too. And then we put some chipotles and adobo sauce in there, along with some nutritional yeast. It can be an option, but nutritional yeast gives a good cheesy flavor to it. Also adds that vitamin B because they usually fortify it. Or you can just put up straight up cheddar cheese in there if you don't want to get that nutritional yeast. It does put a little bit more earthy, cheesy flavor to it, but it is fortified. And then we topped it with cilantro. I think there was something else I put in there, but I can't remember.
I don't know because I didn't.
But
I don't know.
Great taste. I liked it.
Yeah, I tasted it too.
Yeah, I liked it.
It's very good.
It's very good. Good sweet little chipotle flavor. It's just amazing. So right here, guys, I just realized we got all Mexican dishes here, right?
That's what happens when I let him pick all the recipes.
All right, guys. Looking forward to it. Again, 12 dishes for us. We're going to be happy this week. Hope you are too, guys. Let us know if you'd like us to cook anything for you. All right, team. Take care. Bye-bye.